Good morning students, welcome to our YouTube channel Genius Coaching Center. Today's our topic is differentiability. So in this video we study the derivative of the given function. So we have to find dy dx if we have given equation of function. We have to find dy dx if x y plus y square is equal to tan x plus y. Now we differentiate on both sides of equation. So in this we apply product rule, x dy by dx plus y as it is, derivative of x is equal to 1 plus, now the second term y square, derivative of y square is equal to 2y dy dx. Now right hand side, tan x, derivative of tan x is equal to secant square x plus derivative of y is equal to dy dx. Now dy dx को इस साइड ले आएंगे हम, dy dx को एक साथ कर लेंगे सभी टर्म को, इस साइड आके माइनस हो जाएगा secant स्क्वायर x माइनस y. नाउ x प्लस 2y माइनस 1 dy dx को हम क्या कर लेंगे कॉमन, that is equal to secant square x minus y dy dx equal to secant square x minus y upon x plus 2y minus 1, that is the required derivative of the given equation. Now let us take another example. We have to find dy dx if sin square y plus cos x y is equal to kappa. Now differentiate on both sides. What is the derivative of sin square y? By using firstly power formula 2 sin y. Now derivative of sin y is equal to cos y and derivative of y, that is dy dx. Similarly derivative of cos xy is equal to minus sin xy. Now derivative of xy, x into dy dx plus y, derivative of x equal to 1, and derivative of kappa is a constant, that is equal to 0. Now 2 sin y cos y is equal to sin 2y into dy dx. Now solve out, minus sin xy, x comes dy dx minus y sin xy is equal to 0. Now dy dx कॉमन ले लेंगे हम, हमारे पास बचेगा sin 2y माइनस x sin xy dy और y sin xy को दूसरी साइड ले जाएंगे. Now the value of dy dx equal to y sin xy upon sin 2y minus x sin xy, that is the required derivative of the given equation sin square y plus cos xy is equal to kappa. Now take the another example, x cube plus x square y plus x y square plus y cube is equal to 18. We have to find the derivative of the given function. Now differentiate on both sides. Derivative of x cube is equal to 3x square plus, applying product rule, first function as it is, derivative of second function. Now second function as it is, derivative of first function. Now again apply product rule, x derivative of 2y dy dx plus second function as it is, derivative of x equal to 1, derivative 3y square y cube is equal to 3y square dy dx equal to 0. Now taken out dy dx common, dy dx common, x square plus 2xy plus 3y square is equal to minus common 3x square plus 2xy plus y square. Now dy dx equal to minus 3x square plus 2xy plus y square upon x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. That is the required derivative of the given equation. Let us consider another function y is equal to sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. We have to differentiate and find dy dx. In this type of question, we have to use the substitution method. It is an easy way to solve out this question. So, firstly we check what type of substitution is occur in this question. 2x upon 1 plus x square. We know that sine 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So apply substitution. X is equal to tan of theta. Now then theta is equal to tan inverse x. Now take the given equation y is equal to sine inverse 2x. Apply the substitution. 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. We know that sine 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Now apply this. Y is equal to sine inverse to sine 2 theta. Sine inverse and sine cancel. We left with y is equal to 2 theta and theta is equal to tan inverse x. Now differentiate on both sides. We get dy dx is equal to 2 derivative of tan inverse x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. The required answer is 2 upon 1 plus x square. Now let us consider another example. Y is equal to cos inverse bracket 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Now again we use substitution method. Put x equal to tan of theta and theta is equal to tan inverse x. Now y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. We know that cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Now substitute the value in the given equation. Y is equal to cos inverse cos 2 theta, cos inverse cos cancel out, y is equal to 2 theta. Theta is equal to tan inverse x. No. Differentiate on both sides. We get dy dx is equal to 2 derivative of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by x square. We left with 2 upon 1 plus x square, that is. Now let us consider another example. Y is equal to cos inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Again apply substitution method. X equal to tan of theta. Theta is equal to tan inverse x. Now substitute the value in the given equation. Y is equal to cos inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. We know that sine 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Now apply this result in the given equation by cos inverse sine 2 theta. Now we know that cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. No. Cos cancel out, pi by 2 minus 2 theta. We know that theta is equal to tan inverse x. Now differentiate on both sides. We left with डी बाई डी एक्स डेरिवेटिव ऑफ पाई बाय 2 0 minus 2 upon derivative of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square, that is the. Let us consider another example. Y is equal to sine inverse 2x under root 1 minus x square. Again apply substitution method. Put x equal to sine of theta, theta is equal to sine inverse x. Now substitute the value. Y is equal to sine inverse 2 into sine theta under root 1 minus sine square theta. 2 sine theta. We know that 1 minus sine square theta is equal to cos square theta. Now solve out 2 sine theta into cos of theta. We know that sine 2 theta is equal to sine 2 sine theta cos theta. Now put the value. Be left with 2 theta. 2 theta is equal to 2 sine inverse x. Y is equal to 2 sine inverse x. Now differentiate on both sides. Differentiate on both sides. We get dy dx is equal to 2 derivative of sine inverse x is equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square, that is the. Let us consider another example. Y is equal to secant inverse 1 upon 2x square minus 1. Let substitution x equal to cos theta and theta is equal to cos inverse x. Now y is equal to secant inverse 1 upon 2 cos square theta minus 1. We know that cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now apply this result in the given equation. Secant inverse, that is equal to 1 upon cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is the reciprocal of secant theta. That's become secant 2 theta. Secant cancel out. Y is equal to 2 theta and theta is equal to cos inverse x. Now differentiate with on side, both side. Differentiate both sides. Dy dx is equal to 2 derivative of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. That is the required answer of the given function. आई होप आपको डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी का कंसेप्ट समझ आया होगा। मैं हर रोज आपके लिए नए नए वीडियो लेके आता हूँ। प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। थैंक यू वॉचिंग फॉर माई वीडियो।